Don't put hands on me. Don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
Right, you cannot justify a drone. I want to understand. Listen.
Welcome to Raw Audit Reviews, the channel where we examine police conduct and hold public officials to account. That today's footage comes courtesy of Coley Burks. You'll find a link in the description below. Go show them some support and watch the full encounter for yourself. In this episode, we break down a tense incident outside Edmonton Police Station, where an auditor operating a drone is detained, subjected to physical contact, and confronted with unclear and conflicting legal claims. We'll walk through the encounter step by step, highlighting where officers overstep their authority, misapply the law, and disregard basic rights. This case is a powerful reminder of why knowing your freedoms and how to assert them matters more than ever. Let's get straight into it.
I'm just flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No.
So
Sorry.
what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay. Well, I think someone's gonna come and get you.
There's really no need.
The encounter begins on an unusual note. The officer immediately claims that filming isn't allowed and says she'll call on others. This moment matters. Her tone, body language, and instant assumption of wrongdoing set the direction for everything that follows. There's no legal explanation and no attempt at dialogue, just a warning and an implied escalation. That early approach tells you exactly how this interaction is going to unfold.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
are you?
doing this, under the police station, so why are you here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you no, get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
No, hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of a police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's not allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah. I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you just
someone call the so are the girls. Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No, you're not leaving now.
What, am I detained? What's going on?
Well, you're not leaving now.
No, I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filmed in the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under?
This is some of the worst policing on display. As he tries to walk away, he asks the most basic question possible. Is he being detained? Instead of answering, the officers dodge it entirely, as if due process doesn't exist. Not one of them can name a legal power. Not one offers a clear reason. They just stand there, filling the space with nothing that actually matters. This isn't law enforcement. It's a power play. A uniform doesn't excuse incompetence, and that's exactly what we're watching. A group of officers who can't explain or justify their own actions. Under Section 2 of PACE, they are legally required to state the power they're using and the reason for it. What we get instead is silence, contradictions, and an unlawful detention.
What's going on?
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm leaving.
We need to know what footage you've got.
No, you don't need to look. You don't need to look at anything.
Yeah, because you're filming the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
It's yours. That's mine.
Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone.
You just assaulted me numerous times without even detaining me. So what's going on? You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to.
I'm not trying to run away. I've asked you a question. Am I detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you were outside police station.
I can be outside the police station. Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at the back.
I don't have a police business. I don't need to have.
So why are you here?
Because I'm allowed to fly it. I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you don't.
Of course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed to fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No,
not
I want
over
to fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean
the
go to the
police
park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from you.
It somehow manages to get worse. One of the officers flat out tells him he's not allowed to fly here. No law cited. No reference to the Civil Aviation Authority. No mention of the drone code. Just another confident claim with absolutely nothing to back it up. The DJI Mini 2 falls under the sub 250-gram category. That means it's legal to fly in most public spaces, including near buildings, as long as it doesn't create a safety risk or breach restricted airspace. None of that is addressed here. Instead, they treat a small consumer drone like a major security threat and try to shut it down through intimidation rather than law. This is exactly how public trust gets destroyed. Officers bluffing their way through legal situations, banking on compliance because they know questions expose the gaps in their authority.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I can't have it
station.
over the police station.
Can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No, you
I already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
You lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Asked your question. Why are you?
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
What you do?
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone. What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over
It's
the
a legal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's a
it
legal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to fly this? Oh,
Yes, I do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very rude, actually.
Do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
But there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over? a
Because I
police
want to
station?
do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like
No, I
that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up right now. I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to
You
do.
can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there. Yeah.
Okay, then so we can get a uniform unit and you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under section under terrorist act.
Yeah.
There
What
you
section?
go.
Which section?
At this point, it's almost laughable. She can't even name a specific section of the Terrorism Act, making it painfully clear she doesn't understand the law she's invoking. Yet she casually throws around the word terrorism as if it's some kind of universal threat she can lean on. That isn't caution. It's reckless intimidation. When officers rely on fear instead of facts, it crosses from unprofessional into outright abuse of authority. This is how confusion gets weaponized, hoping the word alone is enough to make someone back down and comply. Instead, all it does is expose the lack of legal grounding behind her actions and make the situation look absurd rather than authoritative.
Stop recording me.
What's the what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about, you don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking
why-
about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened, so.
Yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's what you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
I've got my designation card on me.
Both PCSOs failed to produce their designation cards. Instead, they limited themselves to giving names and collar numbers, claiming compliance under Section 42 of the Police Reform Act 2002. That simply isn't enough. When PCSOs are exercising their powers or carrying out official duties, they are legally required to present their designation cards upon request. This card isn't a courtesy or a technicality. It's the document that proves who they are, what authority they hold, and exactly which powers their chief constable has granted them. Giving a name and number without showing official identification falls short of the law. It undermines transparency, weakens accountability, and once again raises serious concerns about whether these officers understood or chose to ignore the standards they are meant to uphold.
Just like white knighting.
You guys okay? Who's flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation
You don't?
cards.
You're sure about that?
That is what I have on the car with me.
So you don't have a card there that shows your. So may I see it so I can see? I'm speaking to her. I'm not speaking to you.
Right.
Can I understand why you're flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
Should look into our into the police station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that
Because obviously we got
you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police.
But
Do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
Yeah, I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being detained.
The auditor's persistence in asking these questions shows a clear understanding of his rights, something every member of the public should aim to have. When police respond with silence, evasion, or vague answers, it's often a red flag. Lawful stops come with clear explanations. When officers can't or won't explain their powers, it strongly suggests misconduct or an unlawful detention.
You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
Sorry, who have you called?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no if you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands.
If you try and stop me from leaving, I'm going to push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively, if anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right, I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over
Right.
Don't
You
put hands on
cannot
me.
just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah,
I
can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining. Can I understand why are you?
You don't need to understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expecting
into-
to find? You've just searched me under Section 1 of PACE. What are you expecting to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
This is none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
Who
Are you
detained?
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just said section 1 of PACE.
Paradise Mel, with a drone at Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I for 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me, search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find
mate.
drugs? Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen. Yeah.
Well, I don't expect this. I certainly don't expect.
very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect
so
this.
you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
So
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and
in a position where you
threaten to
are
search
at the
me in section 1
moment.
of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the one
did.
that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well, yeah, because you were flying
you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms. You
station.
could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, why are you flying a drone? And you got
You know,
out.
I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of PACE. All now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of PACE.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking
I need
to you,
to find
please.
out what's going on, please. Just
So
give
you
me
can't
1
detain
minute.
me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premise,
But how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen
mate,
goods
I
on
do.
me?
Know, I
under
want to
section 1
know
of PACE?
what
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
Answer the question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right, I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he
as a
gave
citizen who's subject to the same power. He didn't give me anything.
He gave you his
You just put him in a
information.
situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of PACE. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of PACE. You've used section 1 of PACE. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 of PACE,
It's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of PACE.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 PACE power, he can use his section 1 PACE.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man. Like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him. I can't justify
Okay.
his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion.
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section.
Okay,
1.
so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now.
Okay.
You've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000.
And this is where it all starts to fall apart. After first leaning on Section 1 of PACE, a power that requires reasonable suspicion of stolen goods or weapons, the officer abruptly changes course. With no explanation, he pulls out his phone mid-interaction and starts scrolling, eventually landing on Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Yes, he had to look up the law before trying to use it. This isn't just poor policing, it's reckless. Section 43 only applies when an officer reasonably suspects someone of being a terrorist. That threshold is high, and for good reason. Here, there's no intelligence, no specific threat, no articulated grounds at all, just a man with a camera and a drone. Reaching for terrorism powers in this situation isn't a mistake. It's a clear misuse of authority.
We're doing now. I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I will have, you know what is going to
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want, I just want us to do this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? Should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
But nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
So do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist? You don't know.
If you're flying
There needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
get your hand off me. All right, under duress. Get your hand off me. Under duress. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is the drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want? Evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence? You're going to seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Why? You just said you wanted to review the footage.
Yeah. That's why. Is it not what I said?
Yeah. Say again?
We will in our own time.
Yeah.
In your own time, yeah? All right.
To sum it all up, flying a sub-250G drone in public airspace, even near a police station, is lawful. Officers can't detain or search you on a hunch. They need reasonable grounds, must follow proper procedure, clearly identify themselves, and explain exactly what power they're using and why. Any physical contact has to be lawful, necessary, and proportionate. That heavy-handed powers like the Terrorism Act are not catch-all tools and cannot be used arbitrarily to shut down lawful activity. This encounter raises serious questions about how officers engage with the public and where the true limits of their authority lie, especially when it comes to basic freedoms like filming in public spaces. Knowing your rights matters. Holding officials accountable matters. And staying informed is how we protect transparency and the rule of law. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing and sharing. It genuinely supports independent research and keeps these conversations going.